Hello? Hi. Hi. What's going on? Come on, come on, come on. Let's run! So what's your name? Do you have a name? Do you have a name? Do you like to play? Do you like to play? You want to run? Let's run! 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 Come on! Hi family, I'm Dr. Brenda Woburiosty. I'm a licensed daycare provider, a published author of 3 children's books, an advocate, a consultant, a veteran's wife, and a mother. If you need help setting up your daycare service or just looking for great ideas to incorporate a play-based learning approach as well as learn about research-based solutions to issues impacting education, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you. I'm so excited. My first Temu haul for daycare. Okay, so there's something I do every Monday. I have a new toy for the children to explore. So I say, I have a surprise for you. And then I show them a new toy. And I'm going to talk some more about that in a few minutes. So the very first thing I ordered is this beautiful set of ACTIC animals. Hold on, trying to get it out. I'm just anxiously trying to get it out. It's the realistic ACTIC animals figurines, and it is $7.28. So I got one. You might be wondering, what's she gonna use this for? Look at that igloo. Now, I remember I did post one of our sensory beans here on this channel, and I'll see if I can link it somewhere. And I was gonna, I needed an igloo, and I didn't have any igloos. Here we are. I have an igloo now. So there's an igloo, very realistic looking. The ACTIC animals, I really love them. Foxes and ochre and seals. Is beautiful, don't you think? And they will last. The texture is very nice texture. We can use this on sand, on water. We can use it on slime, all kinds of stuff. And I can wash them because these feel like, I don't know, they feel like plastic and they are very washable. I really like that. And this is what you saw at the beginning is the turkey MACAW parrot. Repeat what I say, $9.18. It's very soft. It's like a stuffed animal. It's very soft, and I like it. I've been wanting to get something like this for ages, and I'm glad I could get it. When I saw it, I was like, I have to snatch it. Excuse me. It looks like sorry guys, I'm very excited. It looks like well, it looks like a real parrot. It does. And when you say stuff, it repeats after you. And you heard it at the beginning. Okay, now we do need batteries. It does not come with batteries. So you have to unscrew that, and there are 3 AAA batteries. Then you put them in there. Turn it on. Hi. Hi. What's going on? Come on, come on, come on. Let's run! So what's your name? Do you have a name? Do you have a name? Do you like to play? Do you like to play? You want to run? Let's run! 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 Come on! So cute! And then I got this wind-up frog toy jumping frog for $1.48. $1.48, and I got 4 of them. Guys, this has got to be the cutest toy. Toy, but the cutest frogs in the universe. Look at those colors. You just wind it up so you don't need batteries. Look how cute that is. What do you think the kids are gonna do when I have this at the door? When they come on Monday, I turn it on and it's just moving all over. They're going to chase it. I can't even think of a lot of games. That guy right there was tired. He's like, I'm gonna flip over, I'm tired of running. But you're going to work next week when the kids get here. Okay, so the next one is the TEMI Toddler chicken Easter eggs, and I got this for $9.48. And this right here is the bomb. I really like it. There's so much I'm going to do with this. It comes separated and it's pretty easy to put together, like pretty easy to put together. And those little eggs, they are like puzzle pieces, and the children can find them. They can match colors, they can match shapes, they can count, you can do treasure hunts, you can do all kinds of things. And guess what I'm going to use some of these eggs for? And I'm going to post a video here next week. I'm going to use some of these eggs, or all of these eggs, for my Easter sensory bean. So there's so much you can do. It's open-ended, and I really like it for that. Actually, everything I bought is open-ended, and there's so much I'm going to be doing with them. Yay! Isn't that chicken friendly? Look how friendly it looks, and I really liked it. So this is something else I got that I like. Talking flashcards for toddlers. That was $11.98. So I opened the box, and it's like this little electronic thing, like a small tablet. So it's not huge. It's a small handheld device. And guys, I apologize if I sound too excited. I am excited, and you know how I am on this channel. When I'm excited, I hyperventilate and I yell. I'm excited. So it comes with a little USB charger, and a little set of cards, and also an instruction manual right there. I didn't even need to read it because it was easy for me to set up. So I put that on charge. I used my computer to charge it, and let it charge for a little bit until it was green, because it's going to tell you when it's charged. When it's charging is red, and when it's charged is green. So it comes with these cards, and they are color coded. So they have fruits, they have goods, I think they have produce, they have kitchen stuff, and they have family and animals. Clothing is really nice. The children at daycare would really love this. And one other thing that I like about this toy is that the people pronouncing the words and reading the words out are native speakers. So I don't know if it's a machine though, but you put it in. I just want you to hear it.
Sister.
You think you like it?
Uncle.
Too cute.
Grandmother.
Too cute. Okay, so how did I order these really wonderful things that I ordered? First, I downloaded the app. It's Temu. It's on your Play Store. Find it. Find the picture you just saw, and then you download. And this is how it looks like. All kinds of fun stuff there. All kinds. I was tempted to just buy more, but I wanted to test this first. Oh, I just saw something I want. The wind-up doves. I think I'm going to get those. So, you know, as a teacher, as a daycare teacher, there's a lot I can get here. It's just like, oh my goodness, very affordable prices and free shipping on all orders. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? Free shipping on all orders. I bet you can't. So, and they have all kinds of stuff, even up to wigs and carpets and clocks, little stuff, Christmas things, Easter things, all kinds of beautiful things, stuffed animals, talking toys, electronics, kitchen gadgets. I think I've just found my new favorite store. So yeah, this is how it looks after you download the app and then you open it up. You can shop. It's pretty easy. It's not complicated at all. It's very easy. So this is it. I was so excited, like a child eating cotton candy. That's how excited I was, just looking at all the good stuff I can get for the price. So this is how I ordered, and it came within a week. You can see they give you, they tell you where your order is. They give you constant information about your order. So let's take a quick look at what I got again. I got the chicken, the TEMI toddler chicken Easter eggs for $9.48, realistic ACTIC animal figurines for $7.28, wind up frog toy $1.48, and I got 4 of those. The talking flashcards for toddlers $11.98, talking MACAW parrot and repeat what I say for $9.18. Hey, for a whopping total of $46.16. I'm so happy with what I have. So I'm going to be leaving a link below of all the great stuff that I got. And if you want to check it out, you can. Also, stay tuned as I show you everything that I got and how much they cost. Just taking another second look. As you watch it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Leave your thoughts below. Have you ever shopped from Temu before? If you have, let me know. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you were satisfied with what you got. I am 100% satisfied with everything that I got, and I will go back and get some more stuff. And I like the prices. They're affordable, and who can beat free shipping? I don't think anybody can. So thank you so much for watching. I'm just gonna leave you guys with more look at what I got and more details. And as I'm on my way out, I want to say, do not forget that prayers do get answered, miracles still happen, and every single thing is possible. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Bye.